Look at him. What is it, Jakey? Jake, what is it? What is that? What is it, bud? Come on. Jake Pepper, go get it. What's that? What's that? Go get it, Pepper. Good boy, Jake. Come on, Jake Pepper, go get him. Come on. Come here. Hunt him up. Come on, go. What's going on? Deer track right there. Decent too. Look at tracks. Decent sized tracks too, if I do say so myself. Whew. There's dog tracks mixing with deer tracks. Ow. Yeah, there's tracks all over right here. The camera's on that tree right there. And here's the scrape right here. Yeah, added a bunch of branches to it. It was like right here. Maybe it's somewhere right underneath here. Hey, come on, Pepper, get in there. Jake Pepper, get in there. It's running up ahead of you in front of the field. Come on, Pepper, Jake, get in there. It's right in front of Jake. Pepper, get in there. Pepper, get in there. Come on, Jake, get him. Jake, get in there. Pepper, get in there. Pepper, get in there. He's right on its track, Doss. Get him, Jake. Good boy, Jake. Get him, Jake. Good boy, Jake, boy. Get him, Jake. Get him. Get him, Jake. Get him, Jake. Come on, Pepper, get him. Good boy, Jake. Good boy. Get him, Jake. Come on. Pepper, go get him. Pepper, go get him. Good boy, Jake. Good boy. Get him. Hey, so, it's Dawson and Cade here. We just got in from hunting out back here for small game with the dogs, and we're sitting on top of this not finished tree fort, and even though it's not connected to any trees, we're just sitting here hoping that if we're quiet, squirrels will just come out and move naturally, because clearly just walking around the woods and using dogs doesn't work. Who would have thought? Next time we're just gonna bring our bows and walk through neighborhoods. Can't see. do that. We're just kidding, by the way, but that'd be a lot easier than actually hunting them. Okay, guys, it's about 3:15. Dawson just split off, and Chase went with him. So I'm sitting over here by myself, hoping that maybe if we split up, we can see and get more shots at squirrels. So hopefully something starts moving soon, because if it doesn't, I'm walking in. It's getting cold, and I haven't seen a squirrel in 2.5 hours. I'm done. Get him. Oh, I got one. I got one. There's the other one. Okay, guys, I just saw these squirrels out in the woods, and I thought I'd come out and try to shoot you one. And so there was two. They're running around here by these trees up here, and I come out and I walk out, and I didn't see them for a while. Then all of a sudden, I saw them running up and down this tree right here, and so I shot at them while they were on this tree, and I missed. And they ran over, and they got on that tree right there. They were up right about there, probably right there, and I shot at him, and here he is. Fell right here. It's been years since I shot a squirrel. Oh my God. You should have seen the crap that Dawson, Chase, and I all went through the other day. Oh my God. I think we only saw a total of 3 squirrels. And they all took off, and we never got a shot at one of them. Finally, we got a squirrel, baby. Woohoo! Hey guys, it's Cade here. Today is January 5th, Dawson's mom's birthday, so he couldn't be here today, but I was just sitting inside eating lunch and having a look outside and saw a couple squirrels playing out in the trees out here. So I decided I'd grab my old faithful 22, head out and see if I could shoot a squirrel, because yesterday Dawson, my brother, and I all went out squirrel hunting, small game hunting, just waiting to shoot anything, and we barely saw anything. We saw an owl. I saw one rabbit take off when we had the dogs, and we saw a bunch of squirrels, but they were all like 100 yards away, running away whenever we got anywhere near them. So finally today I just saw them, threw on my boots, one of my overshirts. I'm actually in shorts right now because it was warm inside, now it's cold out here. But I just ran out, I saw a squirrel, grabbed the camera. I just held the camera up while I was holding the gun, just kind of like this. Camera here, holding it up. First I saw these squirrels running up one tree. Actually, at first I didn't even see them. They weren't out here anymore. And so I was like, what the heck? So I was about to go inside and I saw some movement. I was like, what's that? And they were chasing each other up this tree right here to my left. And so I was like, oh geez. And so I took a shot. I only brought 3 bullets out here with me. I took a shot, ran up the tree, and then ran back down. So I put another one in. They ran up this tree right here to my right, and climbed halfway up it, stopped. I shot, and we were all good. We got them. Dropped, landed right where the camera is now. The tree is right there, and it was super cool because I haven't shot a squirrel since I was probably 6. So hey guys, just shot this squirrel right here. Just did a little video down there, but camera died just as it ended, so I don't know if we got the video or not. We'll see. But hoping to get this thing skinned up and stuff so we can maybe make some squirrel stew and either tan the hide or get it mounted. That'd be pretty cool because this is the first time I've shot a squirrel since I was probably 6. So that was pretty fun. We spent a lot of yesterday trying to hunt squirrels in small game when it was me chasing Dawson. But I actually sat right here on this rock for about 15-20 minutes. They were out here, but they were all across the ravine. It's about 60 yards away. And I literally just saw him as I was eating lunch, saw him out the window. So I'm in my khaki shorts right now. And I just threw on my hunting boots and an over camo shirt, and actually my shirt says, I bow hunt big bucks. Not really, but you know, it's nice to dream. So, just like to thank y'all for watching this small game episode. I was filming with the camera, and I was just holding it right next to the rifle, right next to my 22. I was holding it up like this, and basically how I'd be holding the gun, just right next to the rifle, and hopefully I got it on camera. Oh well, it was super fun. Finally got to shoot a squirrel.